Hi guys, hello people, hello YouTube. This is Ernest ulit. Ernest nga pala. And welcome to my channel. And sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And today I have my Rare Bear, ano to, yung XK A260. So this is the second flight. Nung unboxing ko ay pinalipad ko na siya, test right away. After unboxing, then first flight, maiden flight, then today will be her second flight. So yung stock battery niya is 400 mAh battery, pero tulad ng sinabi ko sa mga previous video ko nito, yung battery bay niya is lubhang bahagyang malaki, a little bit bigger and deeper yung battery bay niya. So I have my 500 mAh battery and kasyang kasya, and may space pa para sa 500 mAh battery. So I guess kayang ano nito makapag up to 600 mAh battery yung kayang ipasok dito sa battery bay niya, because it's a bit deep and medyo bigger yung battery bay niya. Teka, I'm looking for a screwdriver because yun, kasi yung wire niya is nakabaon, I mean malalim yung wire niya, yung connecting wire. Yan, right. So I will be using 500 mAh battery guys from my Kutai J3A505. So 500 mAh battery. So yung stock battery niya is 400. So yung remote, stock remote turned on, ayun. So naikabit ko na rin. Pasok natin sa battery bay niya na malaki. Yun, maluwag na maluwag po. Tapos lock natin. Alright, lagay natin sa flat surface for the calibration of the control surfaces. Yun, gumagalaw. And throttle, yes. Pero hand throw ko siya kasi walang magandang runway. And dito ko na lang siya papaland. Alright, so lipad na natin to. Rare Bear XK A260. Maganda rin to guys, panoorin nyo na muna. Ganda yan. Ganda yung propeller nya, yung design ng propeller nya, 4 channel. Yan, ganda. 400 mm wingspan. Okay, 6 axis gyro stabilization. Pwede mo rin siyang i-switch sa 3G kung medyo magaling ka na magpalipad or mag-control. But anyway, paliparin na natin. Hand throw. Uy, nice, very good. Stable din siya. Nice flyer. Good. Good flyer, good boy. Huwag ka lang babagsak riyan. Palayan, tubigan yan eh. Nice. Nice little boy. Nice flyer. Stable. So yung 500 mAh battery is parang wala lang. No problem. It's a bit heavy of course, but no problem because of the kayang-kaya niyang dalhin because of the stabilization. Siguro kung may 700 mAh battery or 600, kayang-kaya pa kasi nga malaki yung battery bay niya. Nice. Uy, lumayo. Ganda. Very nice. You can fly it slow, just like this. Kaso mo ka mag-i-stall sa sobrang slow. Ito tamang-tama lang, ganda. Uy. Uy. Kalo ka out of control eh. Ang ganda ng panahon. Ayan, nilagyan ko na ng ano, binigyan ko ng konting aileron, ng rudder para sharping turn. Ayan. Because makitid yung spot. So I have to make a sharp turn to maximize the space. Yeah, like that. Kasi kung wala kang dadagdag na rudder, medyo wide yung turn. Although mas maganda yung turn ito kesa dun sa isang XK model, yung Trojan T28. Ano? Mas maganda yung turn yung turn at ano nito, banking mas okay, mas suabe kesa dun sa Trojan. Nice. Good. Nice turn. Stable. Ganda. Sarap paliparin. Great. One more. One more. One more pass. Nice turn. Yun, sharp turn. Kasi may additional rudder yun. Yan, sinasabi ko may additional rudder, mas maganda. Yan, rudder. Good. Okay, aileron plus rudder. Good. Good. Kala ko babangga sa barrier sa ano. Just side sa ano. Barikada. Good boy. Uy. Ganda talaga, sarap paliparin, sarap libangan talaga, maaliw kay malilibang ka talaga. Super legit na libangan to, super legit na hobby. Right, that's it. Talaga naman, hirap talaga i-land.